Our team at Eternal Turf and Pavers recently took on a large-scale project where we transformed the backyards of 4 neighboring homes in San Diego. Each backyard started as a blank canvas, allowing us to create unique and stunning outdoor spaces. Our team worked diligently to create areas and prep them for a variety of installations, including concrete pavers, gravel, decorative stones, stone walls, plants, artificial turf, and even custom putting greens. Every detail was carefully planned to bring these outdoor spaces to life. The result? 4 personalized and beautifully designed backyards. One home received artificial turf, a stone wall, and a paver patio. The 2 homes in the middle chose paver patios, artificial turf with putting greens, gravel, and a custom layout of plants and stones. The 4th home featured pavers extending under the patio cover, artificial turf, and a striking dark gravel and plant design. Each backyard was transformed into a unique oasis that only Eternal Turf and Pavers can deliver. Ready to bring your outdoor vision to life? Call Eternal Turf and Pavers at 858-330-3208 or visit at eternalturfandpavers.com today.